Have you ever thought about what it's like to be a parent? For many of us, it's a journey filled with love, sleepless nights, and endless worries. But in the animal kingdom, parenting takes on a whole new level of intensity. Today, we're diving into the world of one of nature's most misunderstood creatures, the scorpion. You might see them as fearsome predators, but what you probably do not know is that scorpion mothers are some of the most dedicated and self-sacrificing parents out there. Their story is a powerful tale of survival, instinct, and a mother's incredible love. Forget everything you thought you knew about these armored arachnids, because we're about to uncover one of the most astonishing child-rearing sagas in the animal world. So, what makes scorpion parenting so extraordinary? It all begins the moment the baby scorpions, or scorplings, are born. Unlike many other creatures, scorpions give birth to live young, not eggs. These newborns are tiny, incredibly vulnerable, and not quite ready for the harsh world they've entered. They are born with a soft, pale exoskeleton that offers little protection, and their eyes aren't fully developed, meaning they can't see well enough to hunt or spot predators. They are essentially helpless. This is where the mother's epic journey truly begins. She doesn't just give birth and leave them to fend for themselves. Instead, she undertakes one of the most demanding parenting jobs imaginable. Immediately after birth, a fascinating and crucial behavior takes place. The mother scorpion carefully lowers her body, allowing her newborns to crawl up her legs and onto her back. This isn't just a free ride. It's a mobile fortress, a life support system, and their only chance of survival. Each tiny scorpling finds a spot, and soon, her entire back is covered with a wriggling blanket of her own young. Imagine carrying dozens of babies on your back 24/7. This is the reality for a mother scorpion for the next several days, sometimes even weeks. She becomes a living, breathing nursery, dedicated solely to the protection of her offspring. Why is this so important? First, let's talk about protection from predators. The world is a dangerous place for a tiny, soft-bodied scorpling. Ants, spiders, lizards, birds, you name it, pretty much everything sees them as an easy snack. By keeping them on her back, the mother uses her own formidable defenses, her tough exoskeleton, her powerful pincers, and her famous venomous sting to ward off any creature that might try to harm her young. She becomes a walking, heavily armed bodyguard, and any predator thinking of snatching a baby has to get through her first. It's a bold and effective strategy that dramatically increases the survival rate of her brood. But predators aren't the only threat. The environment itself is a major challenge. Scorpions often live in hot, arid deserts or humid tropical regions where temperature and moisture levels can be extreme. The baby scorplings, with their underdeveloped exoskeletons, are extremely susceptible to dehydration. By huddling together on their mother's back, they are shielded from the scorching sun and are able to maintain a stable microclimate. The mother will often seek out cool, damp shelters, like burrows or the undersides of rocks, not just for herself, but to provide the perfect humidity and temperature for her young to develop safely. She is their personal climate control system. This period of intense care is a huge sacrifice for the mother. With her back completely covered in babies, her ability to hunt is severely limited. Moving around is more difficult, and she is more conspicuous to her own predators. For the entire time her scorplings are on her back, she typically does not eat. She relies entirely on her stored energy reserves to keep herself and her entire family alive. It's a remarkable feat of endurance. She is essentially fasting so that she can devote all her energy to protecting her young. This is a level of self-sacrifice that is truly humbling, putting her own survival at risk for the sake of the next generation. So, how long does this piggyback ride last? It continues until the scorplings go through their first molt. This is a critical milestone in their lives. They shed their soft initial exoskeleton and emerge with a harder, more protective one. Their senses are more developed, their vision improves, and they are starting to look more like miniature adults. Once this happens, they are better equipped to face the world. One by one, they will begin to leave the safety of their mother's back and start to explore their surroundings. For a little while, they might stay close, learning the ropes of being a scorpion. The mother might even assist them in their first attempts at hunting. Some studies suggest that mother scorpions may share prey with their young or disable it for them, teaching them how to hunt for themselves. It's like a scorpion-style hunting lesson. But eventually, the time comes for them to disperse and begin their own solitary lives. The family bond dissolves, and each young scorpion goes off to find its own territory, ready to grow into the formidable predator it was born to be. The mother's job is done. She has successfully navigated one of the most difficult parenting challenges in the animal kingdom, ensuring her legacy lives on through her surviving offspring. It's easy to judge animals like scorpions based on their appearance or reputation. We see a creature with pincers and a sting and immediately label it as dangerous or something to be feared. But when we take a closer look, we find stories of incredible complexity, intelligence, and even what we might interpret as love and dedication. The mother scorpion's journey is a powerful reminder that the maternal instinct is a force of nature that transcends species. It's a story of ultimate sacrifice, a mother willing to starve herself and face constant danger to give her children the best possible start in life. Next time you see a picture of a scorpion, I hope you'll remember this story. Remember the mother, carrying the weight of the next generation on her back, standing guard against a world of threats. It's a testament to the fact that in nature, survival is not just about being the strongest or the most venomous. It's also about the incredible lengths a parent will go to for their young. The world of animals is filled with these hidden dramas, these epic tales of family and survival, and the scorpion mother is undoubtedly one of its most unsung heroes. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the surprising life of scorpions. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from the animal kingdom. And let us know in the comments what other misunderstood creature you'd like us to feature next. We'll see you in the next video.